You're sitting in your company's bright HR room at 29 years old. Someone in a zipped polo walks you through your new benefits package. Contribute to your 401k, they tell you. Lower your taxes now and retire rich. Everyone in the room nods along. You check the box. You feel responsible, adult, and smart. For the next 30 years, you keep doing exactly what they told you to do. Then, one day, you realize something brutal. The exact account they said would save you money may quietly create the biggest tax bill of your entire life. My name is Noah, and for the next few minutes, we're going to do something almost nobody in the world of personal finance actually does. We're not going to talk about opinions. We're not going to look at motivational money quotes. We're going to run the real math. There is a massive difference between getting a tax deduction today and actually keeping more of your wealth 30 years from now. The reason so many people are confused about traditional 401ks versus Roth IRAs is simple. The financial industry almost never shows the full equation on one screen at the same time. Today, we are going to fix that. The main sales pitch for a traditional 401k is incredibly simple. You save on taxes today. They tell you it lowers your taxable income right now, making it feel like free money from the government. It sounds like a perfect deal, and it is exactly why millions of people sign up without a second thought. But this popular view only shows you half of the picture, and focusing only on that upfront discount is a huge mistake. The financial industry wants you to look entirely at the front-end tax deduction. Meanwhile, they completely ignore what happens down the road. They do not talk about your future tax exposure, which is the total amount of tax you will eventually owe. They do not mention required minimum distributions, which are the forced withdrawals the government makes you take once you reach a certain age, whether you need the money or not. Even worse, they do not warn you about how your future tax liabilities will compound over time. Just like your savings grow bigger every year, the chunk of money you owe the government grows bigger too. Finally, nobody can predict what retirement taxes will look like decades from now. Tax rates change constantly, and there is no guarantee they will be lower when you retire. A traditional 401k does not eliminate taxes. It delays them. And after 30 years of compounding, delayed taxes can become enormous taxes. When you defer your taxes, you are betting that you will be in a much lower tax bracket in the future. But if your money grows the way you want it to, you might actually end up in a higher bracket later, turning your nest egg into a massive tax trap. Let us look at the real math using a simple scenario. Imagine you are 35 years old. You decide to save $12,000 every year for the next 30 years, and your investments grow at an average rate of 8% each year. Over 3 decades, your total contributions add up to $360,000. Thanks to the power of compound growth, your final balance balloons to an amazing total of roughly $1.36 million. At first, the traditional account looks smarter because of the upfront tax savings. If you're in a 22% tax bracket, saving that $12,000 inside a traditional 401k lowers your current tax bill by $2,640 this year. That feels great today. With a Roth account, you do not get that discount. You pay your taxes right now, so putting that same amount away feels a little heavier on your current wallet. Then the compounding starts working against you. Fast forward 30 years. Both accounts have hit that $1.36 million mark, but they are not equal. With a Roth account, your future taxable balance is zero. You already paid the taxes, so the entire $1.36 million is your effective, spendable retirement balance. Every single dollar belongs to you. With the traditional 401k, your future taxable balance is the full $1.36 million. When you start withdrawing that money to live on, the government treats it as regular income. If tax rates stay around 22%, your estimated retirement tax bill on that growth is nearly $300,000. Your actual spendable balance shrinks significantly. This is the emotional gut punch of the full cost stack. Your retirement account may not fully belong to you. Part of it belongs to future tax rates you cannot control. You did all the hard work of saving for 30 years, but because you delayed the taxes, you invited a permanent partner into your bank account. To see how this works in real life, let's meet David and Melissa. They are a typical hardworking couple with a combined income of $165,000. They have 2 kids, a nice home with a mortgage, and a busy life. They also feel incredibly responsible when it comes to their finances. Every single month, they make sure to max out their traditional 401ks because they want to secure their future. Right now, this choice saves them thousands of dollars in taxes each year. They feel proud when they look at their tax returns, knowing they are making smart, adult choices. By the time they reach age 65, their consistent saving habits pay off big time. Their projected retirement balances grow into a large, beautiful nest egg that makes them feel safe. Then the trap springs. When they stop working, they have to start withdrawing money to live on. Because all their money is in traditional accounts, the government forces them to take out large required amounts every year. These heavy required withdrawals push their taxable retirement income much higher than they ever expected. Suddenly, their high taxable income triggers a domino effect of extra costs. First, it forces a large chunk of their Social Security benefits to be taxed. Next, it bumps them into higher retirement tax brackets, meaning they pay a larger percentage on their money. Finally, because their income looks so high on paper, it triggers expensive Medicare surcharges that raise their healthcare premiums. David and Melissa spent 30 years trying to avoid taxes, and they accidentally built a future tax machine. Every rule they followed to save money today created an automatic system that drains their wealth tomorrow. David and Melissa thought retirement would feel freeing. They spent decades dreaming of the days when they could finally relax, travel, and enjoy the fruits of their hard work. Instead, they find themselves stressed out by the emotional reality of how their money is taxed. Every single time they need to make a withdrawal to pay for a trip or fix up the house, it creates a fresh tax bill. Even selling investments to change their portfolio has painful tax consequences. Because of the rules on traditional accounts, they cannot just leave their money alone to grow. The required distributions force them to take out income they do not even want, which constantly keeps their taxable income high. As a result, their Medicare premiums rise, making their health care much more expensive every year. They end up hesitating to spend the money they technically have because they're always worried about the next tax hit. This is what it feels like to be retirement rich, but cash flow anxious. They have over $1 million on paper, but they feel trapped by the system. This is exactly where the flexibility of a Roth account changes everything. If David and Melissa had used a Roth account, their retirement would look completely different. They would enjoy totally tax-free withdrawals, meaning a $20,000 vacation would actually cost $20,000, not $25,000 after taxes. Their official taxable income would stay low, which keeps their Social Security safe from heavy taxes and keeps their Medicare premiums at the lowest base rate. Most importantly, a Roth account gives you total control over your life. You can take out as much or as little as you want, whenever you want, without the government forcing your hand. It even allows for a much cleaner estate transfer, meaning you can pass your hard-earned wealth down to your children without leaving them a giant tax headache. Now let us look at the other side of the math. Traditional 401ks are not bad for everyone. There's a specific group of people who genuinely benefit most from aggressive traditional contributions. These are very high earners today who are currently in the highest tax brackets possible. It also makes sense for people who expect to have a dramatically lower retirement income, or those who are in their peak earning years and just need a temporary break from heavy taxes. For these specific groups, saving on taxes today is a great strategy because they will likely pay a much smaller rate later. But what about everyone else? Most middle-class savers who choose traditional accounts are making a dangerous bet without even knowing it. When you delay your taxes, you are betting that future tax rates will stay the same or go down. However, with massive national debt and changing laws, it is highly likely we will see equal or higher future tax rates. You are also betting against rising healthcare costs and inflation-adjusted withdrawals, which will force you to pull more money out of your account just to buy the same basic goods. Choosing a traditional account means accepting decades of tax law uncertainty, leaving your life savings at the mercy of future politicians. If you are an average high-discipline worker earning normal professional income, the math may not favor permanent tax deferral nearly as much as you have been told. For most normal earners, paying the taxes now through a Roth account is the safer, smarter path. It protects you from the unknown and ensures that the wealth you build over the next 30 years stays entirely in your own pocket. When you choose a traditional account over a Roth account, you are not just choosing when to pay taxes. You are also choosing how much total money you get to keep. The opportunity cost, which is the hidden amount of wealth you miss out on, can easily reach hundreds of thousands of dollars. When you add up future taxes, required distribution inefficiencies, and forced taxable income that destroys your flexibility, you realize that your usable retirement wealth takes a massive hit. Let us look at what happens if you take control of that money instead. Imagine if you took just $300 a month, or $500 a month, or even the exact cash you saved on your current tax bills and invested it strategically. If you put that money into a Roth conversion or a taxable index fund for 30 years at an 8% growth rate, the numbers are staggering. That tiny monthly difference becomes a six-figure decision. Over 3 decades, a small habit of pushing money into tax-free spaces compounds into a massive mountain of extra wealth. By paying your taxes up front and letting that money grow completely untouched by the government, you prevent a massive leak in your financial bucket. This creates a real sense of urgency. Every single year you wait, and every single month you default into a traditional 401k without thinking, you are giving away your most valuable asset, time. You are allowing the power of compound growth to build a bigger tax bill for your future self, rather than building a bigger tax-free fortune for your family. The choices you make today will decide whether you spend your retirement celebrating your wealth or managing a massive tax crisis. Instead of looking for a single perfect choice, sophisticated investors use a smarter approach called tax diversification. This simply means spreading your assets across different types of accounts, including traditional accounts, Roth accounts, and standard taxable brokerage accounts. Wealthy investors do this because they know that having different pools of money gives them immense flexibility later in life. In retirement, flexibility becomes real power. To build your own plan, you can follow a few practical rules. First, if your employer offers a matching contribution on your 401k, you should usually take it because that is essentially free money. Second, if you have a very high income right now, using a traditional account can help lower your heavy current tax bill. Third, if you're younger or currently in a lower tax bracket, a Roth account often dominates because you can lock in low tax rates today while your money has decades to grow tax-free. You also need to think about the bigger picture. If you expect overall tax rates to rise in the future, a Roth account becomes much more attractive. Finally, if you want total control over your retirement lifestyle without worrying about government restrictions, you must diversify your tax exposure. The goal is not avoiding taxes forever. The goal is controlling when and how you pay them. By building a balanced mix of accounts today, you give your future self the power to choose which bucket to pull from each year, keeping your taxable income low and your retirement completely free. Most people think personal finance is about picking the best account. It is not. It is actually about understanding the incentives of the people giving the advice and then running the math yourself. When you sit in that HR room, the speakers are just repeating the standard rules that have been handed down for decades. They're not looking at your specific life, your long-term goals, or what the world might look like 30 years from now. Once you actually model the numbers over a 30-year timeline, you realize this debate was never really about investing. It was about future control. It is a choice between letting the government dictate your retirement budget or keeping the keys to your own castle. Financially sophisticated people always value flexibility more than quick tax tricks. They know that a small discount today is never worth a massive financial trap tomorrow. Sometimes the smartest financial move is refusing to blindly follow the default setting. It takes courage to check a different box than everyone else in the room. But when you understand the full equation, you can make choices based on real facts instead of comfortable myths. By taking control of your tax strategy right now, you ensure that your future wealth stays exactly where it belongs, in your hands.